Welcome guys, this is a walkthrough on how to get your NAMMES certificate. First of all, you want to input the URL nammesnigeria.org. Then when you get to the website, you scroll about to read the features. Next, you click on the Join NAMMES icon and it takes you to the next interface. On this interface, you want to click on Login, then create a new account since you're a new user. Then go ahead and create an account. Next, you see the welcome icon and you go to your dashboard. When you get to your dashboard interface, you want to check your details right and you want to upload 2 documents. First of all, anything that proves that you're a student of the accredited university. Next up, you select the file, drag and drop, then you upload. After uploading, you want to click on Payments, make payments by transferring it to the UBA bank account. Next up, you select the receipt file, drag and drop, then upload. After uploading, you want to see a tick that says you've uploaded the first and second document. Then you go ahead with your request for certificate. Here you see your request has been submitted successfully. You wait 24 hours. If they did open it, then download certificate. It takes you to your dashboard and you see download certificate. Then go ahead and download your certificate. Thanks guys, and subscribe to the channel.